God is saying to you today, I want to remind you that each day is a new beginning, a fresh start filled with possibilities and hope. Leave behind the mistakes and regrets of yesterday and embrace the new opportunities I am placing before you. I am giving you a chance to grow, to learn, and to become all that I have created you to be. Trust that I am with you in every step you take, guiding you toward a brighter future. Don't be afraid of stepping out of your comfort zone. I am here to support you and give you the courage you need. Let go of the past and step into the future with confidence, knowing that I am making all things new for you. Embrace this new day, for I have wonderful plans for your life. If you receive this message, comment Amen and share it with a friend. God bless.